Talk to Mama. He likes cameras. Are you silly?
With the camera?
Huh? Look at you, got a cast. You got a cast? Huh? You waking up? Hey. Hi. Hey, buddy. No, you don't want to wake up? You do? No? What's going on? What's going on, bud? Hi. You know, when that camera's there, you smile. Is that ingrained in you?
Oh. Sit up. Hey, you looking around?
Hey, Violet. Violet. Hey, honey.
Hi.
Violet. How you doing?
Hi.
You being silly.
No, she can't walk.
She can't walk?
No.
So I can do a full...
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. There you go.
Can you talk yet, buddy? Can you talk?
So hard, isn't it?
Say hi. Can you say hi yet? What's your name?
Is it Elmo?
What's your name, baby?
Is your name Elmo? You're trying, aren't you? You're trying so hard.
What does she look like, buddy?
What do I look like? Do I look funny?
Hey. Four eyeballs. Does Mama have 4 eyes?
Does Mom have 4 eyes too?
Who's your mama? Do you see your mama here?